At the light, turn right onto Olentangy River Road.
Ask yourself, how do you match up? I'm only 27 and I'm only getting better. If I had the cash to catch up now, for real.
On you? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Kathleen?
Come on, man. What are you... where are you going?
The picture holds right through the second. Oh,